Hello friends, welcome back to English Makes Bold YouTube channel. In this video, we will practice learning and speaking English through a short love story. So without wasting a single extra moment, let's get started. The Girl with Blue Umbrella. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a beautiful girl named Eleanor. She had eyes like sapphires and hair that cascaded down her back like a waterfall of midnight silk. But what truly set her apart was the vibrant blue umbrella she carried with her everywhere she went. The umbrella had been a gift from her grandmother, who had passed away when Eleanor was just a child. It was more than just a shield from the rain. It was a symbol of love, protection, and cherished memories. Eleanor's days were spent wandering through the town, her blue umbrella casting a halo of color against the gray cobblestone streets. People would often stop and stare, mesmerized by her ethereal beauty and the way the umbrella seemed to amplify it. But Eleanor was more than just a pretty face. She possessed a kind heart and a curious mind. She spent her time volunteering at the local animal shelter, caring for stray cats and dogs with gentle hands and a soothing voice. One rainy afternoon, as Eleanor walked through the town square, she noticed a young boy huddled under a shop awning, his clothes soaked through and his face drawn with sadness. Without hesitation, she approached him and offered him the shelter of her umbrella. The boy, whose name was Oliver, hesitated at first, but the warmth and kindness in Eleanor's eyes soon melted away his reservations. Their eyes met, sparking a conversation that flowed effortlessly, like the raindrops trickling down the window pane. Together, they walked through the rain-soaked streets, sharing stories and laughter as they went. They discovered a connection that seemed to defy the dreary weather outside. With each passing moment, it became clear that this chance encounter was the beginning of something beautiful. And as the rain subsided and the sun peeked through the clouds, they stepped out into the world together, ready to explore the endless possibilities that lay ahead. As the days turned into weeks, Eleanor and Oliver became inseparable. They explored every corner of the town together, their laughter echoing through the narrow alleyways and hidden courtyards. But as the seasons changed and the days grew shorter, Eleanor began to notice a sadness creeping into Oliver's eyes. When she asked him what was wrong, he hesitated, unsure of how to put his feelings into words. Finally, one chilly autumn evening, Oliver took Eleanor by the hand and led her to the town square, where a lone bench sat beneath the fading light of the street lamps. With a heavy heart, he confessed that his family was moving away, far from the only home he had ever known. As Eleanor listened, the weight of Oliver's words settled in her chest like a stone. Tears welled in her eyes as she realized the depth of their bond and the impending separation. Without a word, she wrapped her arms around him, holding him tightly as if to delay the inevitable departure. The town square, once a place of shared laughter and dreams, now echoed with the silent sorrow of their impending goodbye. But amidst the sadness, there was a glimmer of hope, a promise to keep in touch, to visit whenever possible, and to cherish the memories they had created together. And as they sat there, hand in hand, beneath the gentle glow of the street lamps, they found solace in each other's presence, knowing that even distance couldn't break the bond they shared. Tears welled in Eleanor's eyes as she realized that soon, but then she remembered the lessons her grandmother had taught her about the power of love and the strength of memories. With a determined smile, Eleanor took Oliver's hand in hers and whispered, "No matter where you go or how far apart we may be, we'll always have our memories and the love we shared. And as long as you carry a piece of me in your heart, we'll never truly be apart." And so, as the rain began to fall once more, Eleanor and Oliver stood beneath the glow of the street lamps, their hearts intertwined as tightly as the fingers clasped between them. And though the world around them may change, the beauty of their love would endure like a timeless melody carried on the gentle rhythm of the rain. Okay, friends, I hope you liked the video and learned something from it. This is all for today. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, bye-bye, and take care.